Soft pause, breathe in, breathe out. In the hidden monasteries of Tibet, monks have quietly practiced ancient breathing methods for centuries. But today, something extraordinary is happening. Modern science is finally proving what these monks always knew. That your breath is your deepest healer, your oldest teacher, and your most powerful medicine. In this video, we explore 5 Tibetan breathing secrets that can transform your energy, refresh your mind, and restore your inner balance, all backed by modern scientific studies on the breath, longevity, and emotional regulation. Stay with me. And breathe slowly. Because what you're about to learn might reshape the way you live the rest of your life. Secret 1, the Vase Breath, the Tibetan method to strengthen life force. If you walk into a remote Tibetan monastery early in the morning, you will often hear a rhythmic, subtle sound. Monks practicing the vase breath, known as kumbhaka. You gently inhale. You hold the breath in the lower belly. You create a round vessel of air. And then, slowly, release. Tibetan masters say this breath guards your life force like a sacred flame. Modern science discovered something surprising. Holding the breath in a controlled way activates the vagus nerve, lowers cortisol, and trains the body to handle stress more efficiently. It increases mental clarity, emotional stability, lung capacity, cellular oxygen efficiency. It's like giving your entire system a gentle reset. Guided version. Inhale softly through the nose. Hold it low in the belly for 3 seconds. Exhale through the nose very slowly. Repeat 5 times. Your body remembers this breath. Your cells respond. Your mind becomes steady. Before I share the next secret, let me ask you something. When you feel stressed, do you naturally breathe fast or slow? Tell me in the comments. Your answer helps others reflect on their own breathing habits. Secret 2. 9 Purification Breaths. Removing emotional dust. For thousands of years, Tibetans spoke of energy channels, left, right, and central. They believed that emotions accumulate in these pathways like dust settling on old furniture. The 9 purification breaths are designed to clear this emotional dust. You inhale through one side. You exhale through the other. Then you switch. Then you breathe through both. Calm. Balanced. Centered. Modern neuroscience now confirms that alternate nostril breathing balances the 2 hemispheres of your brain. It improves emotional regulation, focus, sleep quality, heart rate variability. Your brain actually becomes more coherent, more synchronized. When you practice this breath daily, your thoughts become gentler. Your reactions soften. Your inner space expands. Secret 3, Lion's Breath, the release of stored tension. This one is powerful. Tibetan monks say that the face and throat often become a container for stress that we do not express. The lion's breath is used to release trapped tension. Inhale deeply. Open the mouth wide. Stick out the tongue. Exhale forcefully with sound. It feels unusual. But that is exactly the point. Modern studies show that forceful exhalation instantly activates the parasympathetic system, the body's natural, calm-down mode. It also relaxes jaw tension, throat stiffness, neck tightness, emotional pressure stored in the chest. You are not just breathing out air. You are breathing out the weight you no longer need to carry. Secret 4, the Tummo Breath, warming the inner fire. High in the Himalayas, monks sit in freezing caves. Yet their bodies remain warm. How? Through a breathing practice called Tummo, or inner fire. Deep inhale. Sharp exhale. Rapid cycles. Followed by stillness. Modern science studied this in controlled environments. Researchers found that Tummo increases body temperature, boosts immune function, improves circulation, activates brown fat metabolism. In simple words, a Tibetan monk can raise body heat through breath alone, and now, science confirms it. This breath is a reminder of something beautiful. Your body contains more power than you imagine. Secret 5, Slow Dual Wave Breathing, the Tibetan Longevity Breath. This is the breath of long life. Slow inhale for 4 seconds. Pause for 1. Slow exhale for 6 seconds. Pause for 1. This creates a gentle dual wave rhythm. Tibetan masters say the breath becomes smooth like a calm river. And scientists discovered that breathing at this rhythm, 5 to 6 breaths per minute, is the most efficient breathing for humans. It improves blood pressure, oxygen absorption, heart coherence, emotional stability, cellular longevity. This is the breath of long life. Simple, gentle, transformative. Take one gentle breath with me. Inhale. And exhale slowly. What you learned today is not only ancient wisdom. It is now supported by modern science. Your breath can heal you. Your breath can balance you. Your breath can help you live longer, smoother, kinder days. If you found value in these Tibetan breathing secrets, please like this video, subscribe to HeartFelt Wisdom, and share this video with someone who needs calmness in their life. And if you'd like a full guided Tibetan breathing session, comment below. Guided session please. Your breath is your home. Return to it as often as you can.